Yo guys, hope you're doing good, and these are all my challenges right now: funding pips, Blue Guardian, bespoke funding, and funded engineering. All of the challenges are profits right now. I use the same strategy over and over and again, which I teach my mentorship students right now. And in this video, I will share my two trades which I took this week in the strategy, which gave me 6% gain. So watch the video till the end because I share exactly what trade I took, which I took, and why I took. So please watch the video till the end. I will exactly share you the checklist which I use for the moves I take in the market. This is the entry checklist. I am dropping everything in the video which I use it to take this all the trades, the 6% gain trades in this video. So don't underestimate the knowledge in this video. I will provide everything. This is my checklist I use 99% all the time. Identify the history of liquidities, mark out the point of interest, simple stuff. I execute the over and again, and these are my results. Even though I am in drawdown, I consistently made profits and I withdraw the money because it's all about the mindset. This is what separates from the 99% of unprofitable traders. If you see, my average RR is 3 RR. My average loss is, that's why my equity curve is going like this, because the boom and bust traders equity curve will only go down. If you see my equity curve, my losses are small and my wins are big. This is the exact strategy I share with my mentorship students. So this is my funding pips right now, which is currently going good. I will update the each and every phase of my strategy in this channel. So don't miss this video. First thing first, when I come to the charts, I identify the liquidities. So for example, these are the session breaks I use for identifying the liquidities. I just use the horizontal lines. You see here, I just use these type of lines and I use the point of interest. That's it. So I will explain the trade which I took this day. First thing first, these are my timings from 11:30 to 16:30. So in these timings, I mark my liquidities. If you see, this is the liquidity. This is the liquidity. This is the liquidity. If you see here in the checklist, first thing you should identify the higher time frame liquidities, i.e. external liquidity or the previous day internal structure. So if you see in the charts here, this is the liquidity. This is the previous day's internal liquidity. Right? This is the previous day's internal liquidity. This is the first point in the checklist, and you should mark the point of interest above or below the liquidity. So if you are looking for the buy, then you should look for the demand zone. So this is the demand zone, right? And the liquidity got taken out. So this is my buy here at the VIX. I will enter the price at the rejection. This is my 3 RR gain, and it gave me $3K. Single trade, I got $3K in profit. That's it. Simple strategy. I don't overcomplicate anything. Simple. If you keep it simple, then the profits will come. Easy money. If you overcomplicate the things, then it will never easy. If you keep the things simple, the money will also come simple to you. This is the easy hack I can share with you in my 2.5 years of experience in the trading. Same thing here. I marked the liquidity, and this is the order block. Can you see the order block here? Can you see the order block? This is the order block, and liquidity got taken out. Order block. I exactly entered here. Stop loss 3 hours. These are the trades I took in all my funded accounts. Some are funded and some are in challenge right now. In all the accounts, I took the same trade. I use this edge over and again in the markets. So now I will explain the entry pattern what I use in this. So first thing what I told you should always identify the liquidities. So let's example, say this is the liquidity and there is a point of interest from the past. So what you should look for is there are two types of entries I enter. One is aggressive and second one is conservative. So for the aggressive entries, this is how I enter the price. I will directly execute my price once it hit the point of interest. Once it hit the point of interest, I will directly execute. No confirmations. I will directly sell the market from the 50% of the point of interest because the confluence is the liquidity got taken out. The second confluence is the point of interest is also mitigated. And the point of interest should be very clean. The point of interest should have imbalance like this. It should have imbalance like this. If there is no imbalance for the point of interest, I will not take the trade. I will not take the trade. If you see here, can you see this buy? It have imbalance, right? And can you see this sell? It also have the imbalance. So that's why I wait for the imbalance and then take the trade. Simple. So this is first my aggressive entry and my conservative entry is I will wait for the 15 minutes or 5 minutes engulfing candle here. If there is any 15 minutes engulfing candle form, let's say this is the 15 minutes engulfing candle. Now I will mark this as the clear order block. Then at the 50% of this order block, I will risk 1% and take the another trade, 6% gain in a single trade. This is how I trade the markets. One is aggressive entry and another one is conservative entry. This is the same checklist I use for all the challenges, at funded accounts. This is the exact checklist. Some differences in the entry pattern are there, for example the timings, etc. So I left that for my mentorship students. So if you want to learn that stuff though, you can join my mentorship. So if you see here on the Monday too, I took this trade. Why? Because simple thing, I marked the liquidities. This is the liquidity and this is the point of interest. If you see the point of interest, it had the imbalance. If you see, it had the imbalance. Can you see the imbalance? This is the candle, right? It had imbalance because it is not mitigated. So I used this as the liquidity and I entered at the wick, top of the wick. I entered at the top of the wick. Simple. This is how I trade the market. Same checklist. If you observe, there is nothing extra stuff I am adding. See, liquidity, point of interest, liquidity, point of interest, liquidity, point of interest. Simple thing. So when you coming into the checklist, mark out the point of interest completed, monitor the build-up phase, session openings, aggressive entry, M15, M5 time frame. I told you, right, for the confirmation entry. So for the target wise, I using fixed 3 hour targets right now. But if you're aggressive, you can target the Asian lows, Asian highs, Asian lows, or previous lows. See, this strategy is very powerful. If you can hold it, if you have the strong psychology to hold the trades, you can do even better. But I'm just getting scalping the markets for 3 hour. That's it, simple. If you can hold, you can hold because the market conditions are now very good for the holding trades because they're much volatile, giving very big moves. So this is the simple checklist I am using right now. So if you wanna know what I am doing for the mentorship students, I will explain. The thing is, in this video, I will explain you the cheat code to make consistent profits in the forex market. The first thing is you should need a proven profitable edge or strategy. Proven profitable edge or strategy is, for example, this is the edge I use in the marketplace because this is proven. This is proven from the past because the liquidity is the fuel for the price. This is how the market moves. So, and I have collected lot of data for my strategy. If you see here, this is the 1 minute entries case study of 2022. I have collected all the 2022 entries from January. I got lot of data, how much percentage it gave and how much it performed in each month. And this is the 2023 case study. If you see the data, I have collected lot of data for the edge I am showing you right now. This video is gold. If you can utilize this, the information that is there in this video, you can be profitable, instantly profitable in the markets. Because this strategy is proven. Watch this video over and over and again. Don't sleep. Watch this video. Because if you truly want to be profitable in the markets, I gave the edge in the video. You should just do the hard work because I gave you the checklist. You should have a specific timings. For example, I have a 4-hour time window from 11:30 to 16:30. So I just wait for the liquidities and clean order block. I will mark the order blocks above the liquidity and then execute. Simple. And target the next liquidity or fixed targets. Whatever. Same checklist. If you see, I got 3 entries in the single week. If you count, I made 9% in this week. If you count these previous months, it will be like that because it is proven from the past. So this is what I mean the proven strategy. And also you should understand, respect every strategy, which it means every strategy in the market works. Whether it may be not good as our strategy, but every strategy in the market makes some decent amount of money if the user of the strategy has strong mindset. And you should detach from the outcome because nobody knows whether the trade will be a winner or loser. Because before I entering the trade, I don't know whether it will be a winner, it will be a loser. But for the long term sample space, I can know because my strategy is profitable. My strategy has 75% win rate. I can know. I can take 3 losses in a row or I can take 7 losses in a row. I can't know when the wins and losses will come on a trade by trade basis. This is what Mark Douglas said. So detach from the outcome on the trade by trade basis. We should think in the probabilities. This is the fourth thing. And to fast forward your journey and avoid the massive losses because I have experience of 2.5 years in trading. First 2 years I did nothing and I changed my mindset and everything has changed and God gave me this insane checklist which is ultra profitable in the markets. This is the thing, this is the only thing you can do. Find a good mentor like me and then you can fast forward your journey and you should after I will teach you the strategy, exact strategy because in YouTube I'm not showing you some stuff but in the mentorship I will show you the exact strategy and then you can trade in demo until you are comfortable with the strategy because your subconscious mind should be comfortable in the strategy so that you can execute flawlessly in the real marketplace and you can enjoy the trading with problems a lot and you can scale to 1 million like that. So how you can join my liquidity theorem October bootcamp 2023? You can WhatsApp my number and you should after WhatsApping your number you should tell your experience in the marketplace and your problems right now and it's coming with the price. The original price is $1,000 but now I am giving you the offer up to 15 October for 50% discount, so use it wisely. If you want to change your life, please go through the above steps. If you see, these are my results. You can see, right? I am using the same checklist over and again. Even the losses came, I am profitable at the end of the month because I am following the same edge I am showing. That's it. Simple. There is nothing crazy. Trading is boring, guys. If you got an edge, it will be profitable. Profitable. See, like this, the equity curve looks like this. Crazy. This is easy trading. I bet you will be profitable and change your mindset in 2 months if you join my mentorship. Peace, guys.